Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Veeriya, and if you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and never forget to press the bell button. Okay, today's video is gonna be about spa at home, a quarantine edition video. I'm gonna be using all home ingredients for this video since we all stay at home, and this is the after effect of my spa, and that's what today's video is gonna be. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Have already oiled my hair the previous night. Now I'm gonna be applying a hair mask. For hair mask, I'm gonna be using the egg white. Egg white has lots of benefits. It makes your hair soft and silky, and it gives a glowy effect on your hair. Moreover, it makes your hair refreshing. Once after the application is done, massage your hair gently and then leave the mask for 10 to 15 minutes. Next, coming to my face. First, please make sure to scrub your face weekly once. That will remove a dead skin and it will reduce your pores and so many. Scrub that I'm going to be using today is green tea scrub. For this you will need a green tea bag, a honey and aloe vera gel. The combination of these three will hydrate your skin, reduces your pores and fights your acne marks, and it helps in skin lightening. Leave this scrub for 5 minutes on your face and then wash it off. You will feel the glowy and soft skin. And the next important step is getting done with your brows and removing your facial hair. The razor that I'm going to be using today is from Miniso. If you want to know the step-by-step procedure how to get done with your brows and removing the facial hair, I have already made an in-depth video of it, link in the description. If you want, go and check it out. And the next important step is face mask. I'm going to be using the Choco Coffee mask, where I have already filmed an in-depth video about it. Link in the description. It has so much skin benefit, you guys. Try using it. And just now got back from shower. Once after I get out of my shower, I do my basic regular skincare routine. Since it is summer, I have a separate skincare routine, and if you want to know, you guys, please leave your beautiful comments on the comment section given below. Oh my god, this is the final result. Look at the glow in my face. It literally fades away my acne marks, which is unbelievable. Since we all stay at home, it's really important to take care of our skin and keep it healthy. So try this out and leave your comments. Okay you guys, and that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell button. If you have any suggestions regarding to the next video, you can leave your beautiful comments on the comment section given below. Until next time, stay happy and stay positive as much as you can. There is so much negativity around us. Stay safe and stay happy. Bye.